One of my favorite symbols is the acorn. From something small and overlooked, it grows into a towering oak, a symbol of strength built over time. But it only grows by shedding what's unnecessary, just like we must let go of beliefs that hold us back. I no longer believe in holding grudges. Carrying a grudge feels like strength. It's not. It's heavy. I used to believe holding on to pain kept me safe from being hurt again, but all it did was take up space in my mind. Forgiveness doesn't mean they were right. It means you choose peace over poison. And letting go doesn't make you weak. It makes you free. I no longer believe in the right person, wrong time. If someone was truly right for you, they wouldn't be a wrong time. This belief kept me hoping for people who weren't meant to stay. The truth? The right people show up at the right time, and when they don't, it's not love you're missing, it's lessons. Sometimes life removes people so you can grow without them. I no longer believe in being busy as a badge of honor. I used to wear exhaustion like an accomplishment, thinking if I wasn't tired, I wasn't doing enough. But being busy isn't the same as being productive. True growth comes from meaningful action, not just doing more for the sake of it. And success isn't how full your schedule is, it's how fulfilled your life feels. I no longer believe in attachment. I thought holding on tight to people or things would keep them close. But attachment isn't love, it's fear of loss disguised as loyalty. Real love flows freely, and the truth is, everything in life is temporary. You can hold someone in your heart without holding them hostage. Letting go isn't losing, it's trusting yourself to stand strong. I no longer believe in talking badly about exes. We've all done it. Justified pain by throwing shade. But tearing down someone you once cared about doesn't heal wounds, it digs them deeper. Dignity means speaking with respect, even when it hurts. Silence is sometimes the loudest form of growth. I no longer believe in seeking my missing piece in someone else. There's this idea that a partner completes you. But if you're not whole by yourself, no relationship will ever fill the cracks. Real love isn't about filling your gaps. It's about two complete people choosing to build something strong together. And self-love isn't selfish, it's foundational. I no longer believe in winning every argument. I used to think that winning meant being right, but sometimes winning means walking away with your peace intact. Not every argument is worth your energy. An oak tree doesn't waste time proving it's stronger than the wind, it just stands firm. So you don't need to prove yourself to people who don't deserve that part of you. I no longer believe in immediate results. In a world of quick fixes and instant gratification, I fell into the trap of thinking success should happen fast. But meaningful change is slow. Growth is messy, and it takes time. The acorn doesn't rush to become a tree. It trusts the process. Slow progress is still progress. Trust the timing. I no longer believe in avoiding pain. Pain isn't the enemy, it's the guide. I spent years avoiding discomfort, thinking peace meant avoiding problems. But peace comes when you sit with the pain, learn from it, and let it shape you. The strongest parts of you are forged in fire. I no longer believe that change means losing myself. I used to fear change because I thought I'd lose who I was. But the truth is, change doesn't erase who you are, it reveals who you're becoming. Like the acorn, you already have everything you need to become something greater. The storms, the setbacks, they aren't your end, they're part of your becoming. So, stand tall, even when the ground feels shaky. Trust that every step, every loss, every moment of doubt is shaping you into something unbreakable. Take a moment, think about your own acorn, the small beginning that's destined to grow. You may not see it yet, but one day you'll look back and realize the strength was always in you.